If you suspect that you have low stomach acid, there's a simple test you can do at home called the baking soda test. It's free. All you need is baking soda and a cup of water. So a small cup of water, about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Dissolve it and set a timer and then drink it. Okay. Now what you're looking for is the time how long it takes you to belch. So about 2 to 3 minutes is considered normal. If it's more than that, like 5 minutes, the chances are you have low stomach acid, also known as hypochlorhydria. This is a lot like that science project in high school where you add the baking soda, vinegar, and you get the explosion of the volcano. So that's what you're looking for. What causes low stomach acid? Well, so as we age, we just naturally produce less stomach acid. Also, frequent use of NSAIDs or proton pump inhibitors or antacids basically drop your stomach acid to zero and cause something called SIBO, which is a whole other topic. Signs and symptoms of hypochlorhydria. It could be frequent belching after a meal or frequent flatulence, feeling really full even after a small meal, or if your blood work reveals frequent micronutrient deficiencies, particularly B12. These are all signs that you're not digesting your food properly. So time it, see what you come up with. 2 to 3 minutes is considered normal. Greater than that, you should do some follow-up work with your healthcare practitioner.